Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we are learning how to make pad thai. I visited this pad thai express place in Kansas City, Missouri. It was an experience for my sister's birthday, so we started off here making the sauce. We had a great time here. It was really fun cooking in a professional kitchen. And then the next step is to prepare the vegetables. She was an amazing host. Add the shrimp. And then let it simmer. Add the noodles and the vegetables, and then do a taste test. And then you can add garnish. Turned out really good. It was a great experience. I really recommend this. And the restaurant is Pad Thai Express in Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and visit my website